checking your eyes without knowing if you have eye issue is very, very important. Now, coming to the vital signs, there are a lot of vital signs that they need to check, even if you don't have eye issue physically or you feeling the symptoms. All right, they have eye issues that if you don't go, they can never identify them. So going to the hospital without even knowing if you have eye issue for an eye checkup is very important. Now, some of the vital signs that concerns the eye, listen to it attentively. The very first vital sign when it comes to vision check is what we call visual acuity. Okay, it's what we call visual acuity. Visual acuity, with this test, they check how far you can see at a particular distance, the clarity and the sharpness of your vision using this test. Right, that one is the first sign that is being checked to identify if you are having any vision issue or not. So when this vital sign is checked, right, when this vital visual sign is checked, it will help to identify if you are having any related eye issue like refractive error or a refractive error and an underlying pathology. All right, if they check, they realize that you are having a visual issue. Okay, there are other tests that they will do to improve that vision, meaning that you're having a refractive error. And if you're having a refractive error and an underlying pathology, for example, if you're having a refractive error or you're having presbyopia and a bit of early cataract, that one, there's another test that they can do to improve that vision. So it is very important to check your eye whether you are having a sign or not. All right, so when they check and they realize that your visual acuity is good, then they will tell you that is good. So if it is good, they will tell me 6/6, meaning that you are able to see properly at a distance of 6 meters. All right, then another important visual vital sign is what we call intraocular pressure. With intraocular pressure, they check the pressure of your eyes. Some patient will ask, hey, do they also check pressure when it comes to the eye? Yes, so they do check eye pressure. They don't only check systemic pressure, but they check eye pressure, because with eye pressure, it helps to identify if the pressure is normal or above normal. When it's normal, you will be able to know. For example, when it's normal, it will read 10 to 21 millimeter mercury. But when it goes above 21, we will start identifying some eye issues like glaucoma or ocular hypertension, which is one of the highest risk factors that can easily damage the optic nerve, leading to visual loss. So it is one of the very vital visual information that needs to be obtained when you go for an eye checkup. All right, another one is what we call visual field.